Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, let's unbox Orly's PR kit. This is my third PR kit from Orly Philippines. First we have is In the Groove. Lips Like Sugar. Magic Moment. Nail Lacquer Remover. Brow Up Eyebrow Palette. And a lipstick. I want to thank Orly Philippines for sending these. And now let's proceed on swatching the 3 nail lacquers. These 3 is a part of Orly's Feel the Beat collection. Let's first swatch Magic Moment. Now for the second coat. Magic Moment is described as blink and you could miss the magic moment. When worn alone, this light purple shimmer is a stunning wash of shimmer that is understated but whimsical. Layer over a darker creme shade to add shimmer and dimension. Second shade to swatch is Lips Like Sugar. Now for the second coat. Lips Like Sugar is described as bright purple creme in a long-lasting Orly nail polish. Third shade to swatch is In the Groove. Now for the second coat. In the Groove is a red brick creme in a long-lasting Orly nail polish. If you want to try out Orly products, their official Shopee and Lazada links will be available on the description box below. And also, don't forget to check them out on their official social media pages. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe! Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Happy holidays, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!